Kitchen Appliance Color Trends, 2026. The world of kitchen design is ever evolving, and color trends play a major role in shaping the aesthetics of modern homes. As we move toward 2026, the focus is shifting towards bold yet sophisticated choices that reflect personality, sustainability, and timeless elegance. Kitchen appliances are no longer just about functionality. They have become design statements that set the tone for the entire space. 1. Earthy neutrals take center stage. Warm, nature-inspired tones like sand, taupe, and soft clay will dominate kitchen appliances. These shades offer a timeless and organic feel, seamlessly blending with natural wood, stone countertops, and minimalist designs. Unlike stark white or classic stainless steel, earthy neutrals provide a sense of warmth and sophistication. 2. Matte black remains a favorite, but with a twist. Matte black has been a strong trend for years, and it's not going anywhere. However, in 2026, we'll see a softer, more textured approach. Appliances in charcoal gray, deep slate, and brushed black finishes will bring depth without the harshness of pure black. This modern yet understated choice pairs well with both contemporary and rustic kitchen styles. 3. Bold blues and greens gain popularity. Vibrant shades of blue and green will make a statement in kitchen appliances. Rich emerald, deep navy, and forest green will be key players, reflecting a blend of luxury and connection to nature. These colors provide a striking contrast to neutral cabinetry and bring a refreshing, high-end feel to the kitchen. 4. Retro pastels make a comeback. Soft pastels such as mint green, powder blue, and blush pink will re-emerge with a modern twist. Inspired by mid-century designs, these shades offer a nostalgic yet stylish appeal. They work particularly well in kitchens that embrace a vintage aesthetic while maintaining a fresh and contemporary vibe. 5. Metallic finishes for a luxe touch. Brushed gold, champagne bronze, and copper-toned appliances will add a touch of opulence to kitchens in 2026. These finishes elevate the overall look, offering a sophisticated alternative to traditional stainless steel. The warm, reflective surfaces complement a variety of kitchen styles, from industrial to classic luxury. 6. White appliances make a modern return. While stainless steel has been the go-to for years, glossy and matte white appliances are staging a comeback. Unlike the outdated versions from decades past, these new white appliances are sleek, minimalistic, and seamlessly integrated into contemporary kitchen designs. They provide a clean, airy look that enhances both small and large spaces. 7. Two-tone color combinations gain popularity. Kitchens in 2026 will embrace contrast through two-tone appliances. Think of deep blue paired with brushed gold, matte black mixed with warm wood tones, or soft gray combined with metallic accents. This trend adds a custom feel to kitchens, allowing homeowners to personalize their space without committing to a single dominant color. Sustainability-driven hues emerge. Eco-conscious design choices are influencing kitchen trends, including appliance colors. Expect to see more recycled materials and finishes inspired by sustainability, such as earthy browns, organic greens, and muted terracotta. These colors not only look beautiful, but also align with a growing movement toward responsible home design. 9. High-tech appliances with customizable colors. Smart appliances are becoming increasingly customizable, with brands offering interchangeable panels and LED-enhanced finishes. This means homeowners can easily update their kitchen's look without replacing entire appliances, making color trends more flexible and adaptable. The kitchen of 2026 will be a blend of bold choices and timeless elegance, offering a range of colors that suit different styles and preferences. Whether you opt for earthy neutrals, deep jewel tones, or luxurious metallics, the future of kitchen appliances is all about making a statement while maintaining a sense of harmony and warmth.